Hey guys, this is an unboxing for the Magpul SGA cheek riser kit that my dad picked up for me. It was not something I was necessarily looking at the moment, so don't really know anything about it. So let's pop it open and check them out. So it looks like just a couple of cheek risers to replace the one on the stock. So we got two slightly different heights. See if I can angle this correctly for you. So yeah, one's just a little taller than the other. So depending on the height of your scope, change the height of your cheek rest so you can get a good cheek weld before you shoot. All right, well, that was the Magpul SGA cheek riser kit. Thanks for watching.